Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to focus 100% on the XRP price analysis. Can hold and continue going up, or we already hit the top and we are going to retrace from now. We are going to see some bearish reversal patterns that I am seeing in the charts. What I am actually doing with the XRP price, I am longing or I am shorting the market right now. And also we have an important news. While everyone is talking about the XRP going to $1, we have this amazing news that the Ripple executive leads the Australia CBDC project, another pump for XRP. So basically we may see Ripple conducting the CBDC of Australia. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Guys, like you can see, at the time of recording, XRP is at 47 cents, already starting to going down a little bit, but if you can see this chart, this is a one-day chart, and this is already from 2018. I have this red rectangle already from the last 2 years, and like you can see, it was a very important level. Inside this rectangle we hit support, resistance, a super clear resistance at this area. And then you can see a lot of wicks, but many of those body candles closed in resistance of this rectangle. This was in 2021. Also in 2021, the bottom that we have was here inside exactly this rectangle at 50 cents. A later time in February 2022, we hit support here again in January of 2022, again inside this rectangle. Then we went again into support, but when we break it to the downside, we never tested again since May 2022 until now. And you can see that we are exactly inside that rectangle. So this is a multi-year rectangle of support and resistance for XRP against US dollar. And if I zoom a little bit inside that, you can see that this pump was actually almost an 80% pump. So this is very big, guys. It's not a small pump. We are coming here and test it as resistance again. And one important thing that I see in the chart, and this was the 23rd of September. We closed this important green candle on the XRP against US dollar. You can see that we have this amazing wick to the upside. This is actually bearish. This means that there was a lot of sell pressure at this point at 55-56 cents. We have at that point a 10% down in sell pressure in order to complete this candle. From the other hand, this is not exactly a bearish candle, because you can see here we also have some buy pressure at some point of that candle that we went below. We have a 10%, we have a 5-6% buy pressure on this candle. At the end, that candle ended up being a green candle, but that doesn't mean that was bullish. In fact, after we closed it that at the next day, I started a short position in futures with a 20% X of leverage, because for me this was a bearish situation. We were already parabolic with an 80% up in terms of price action, and we hit this high sell pressure. We were already inside of this bearish and support and resistance rectangle for multiple years. So this was the first time that we come back here to test it. Also for me, the news of this pump was actually speculation. There was some good news for the Ripple SEC lawsuit, but was also only like rumors, nothing specific. There was some stuff that hinted that was better for Ripple than the SEC. Like you know, I cover all those news in my channel. But until we get some official news of resolution of the lawsuit, I don't see why the market needs to react to that. So this reaction for me, it was only a speculation about the ending of the lawsuit in a positive way for Ripple. But again, those kind of pumps, which are not based on facts, because the lawsuit still continue and we need to wait more for that, for me are bearish signs. And you can see all the news even today. Bitcoin price falls below 19, Ethereum down, XRP continue to rise. And this is from today, which actually the XRP price is going down. You can see when will XRP crypto recover above $1. XRP surging 37% in the week. Most profitable crypto among the top 100. All the news are super bullish right now. So all these factors make me to start a short position here the 24th of September around 51 cents. And I keep it. Then the next day you can see this important candle. This is actually what I want to discuss in this video, because this for me, even if we have a week from both sides on the sell and buy pressure and it was a green candle, I started to be worried that this will not be surpassed. This was resistance for me. Then we close our first candle red here. And this candle you can see a small body here. And the wick in proportion to this candle, the sell pressure here was much more than this buy pressure to recover the price. Again, this small body candle closes green. But for me, this was a textbook evening star candlestick pattern, which usually means that the next candle will be bearish and we are seeing a recession, a reverse trend from there. Like you can see here, we have some bearish reversal patterns that you need to see in the candlestick in order to know what could happen. And here you can see the evening star. You have a very weak in the upside. You have here a small wick on the downside and you have a small body, and the candlestick is closed green. That is similar what we can see in this candlestick. So for me, I am really consider this an evening star. So that was more confirmation for me to not close my short position here at 51, even if we reach 52 at this point. And I was using leverage, so I was really close to be liquidated if we reach 53 cents. But I didn't close it because this candle was a confirmation candle that I could expect more bearish downtrend from there. And today the candle you can see is actually 100% bearish. And I am thinking that we could continue going back and probably test again this level at 51, and even below we can go all the way again into 37 cents to test this as support. This was resistance. So now in this pump we break it that, but I think we can go again into 37 cents. So my short position is still open. I will close it if we recover to 50. If we break this to the upside, I will close it, but for now I'm still in my short position. Again, I moved my stop loss so I cannot lose my money in this already, but I want to play out this short position more time. Don't take me wrong, I am super bullish on Ripple or XRP, but I am also a swing trade, so when I see these moves, I want to take profits, I want to make money on those moves. So reversal patterns for the candlesticks are very important. You could draw some lines, for example here support, resistance and resistance, and then this candlestick is held in support right now at this point. So you can leave that and see how it interacts with that. You also, like I put here, you could extend this and see some support and resistance here, actually resistance in all this way, and then with these two bodies. So again, 41 cents, it will be crucial for this. After that is 37 cents. And like you can see, we have a lot of trading volume at 49, but the next level starts to go here at 39, 40 cents. So again, this could be support if we come back and test 41 cents. So that is why still I'm in my short position, and I think we are going to go lower. I recommend you to short right now? No, I don't. I don't recommend you to do that. I think you should be shorting yesterday or early today. Again, this candle is still in process, but if you want to take your risks, I think we are going to go to 41. So you still have room for a short position, but again, it's more risky than mine. Of course, this is not financial advice, it's only my opinion and what I am doing. Do your own research. Guys, another thing that I wanted to comment it and was very important for me in this pump, this is a Bitcoin XRP chart. This is a multi-year chart. This is all the way since 2014. Like you know, XRP is one of the oldest tokens in the crypto space. And you can see all these big pumps that we have in XRP. And this yellow line divides exactly what I mean when I say recoveries on XRP against Bitcoin. So each time that we recover here or we hit this point, we have big pumps on XRP. You can see this in 2014, 2015, 17. We have these two amazing big pumps above the line. Here was resistance, all the way here resistance. Here we had some support, and we have big pumps on the XRP price. From 2018, we have been bearish against Bitcoin. So I am not saying that XRP outperformed Bitcoin, but what I am saying is that when XRP has some pumps, are actually super big pumps. And again, this yellow line was very big support during all these years. Also, these two violet lines that I added for this video. Since 2020, we can see this rectangular support. It was support here before this pump. It was support here, 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 and here. And then after this crash on May, it was support all the way here in July, August. And here in September, we did this pump. This pump was also super big from XRP against Bitcoin. This was an 88%, more than against the US dollar. So you can see how XRP pumps big against Bitcoin. At this point, of course, I didn't do this trade. It was super risky for me at that moment, but it will be a good long position to move some Bitcoin into XRP. If you did that trade, I congratulate you. These kind of trades are more difficult. It's more difficult to trade between altcoins or different cryptos than against USDT or USDC or another stable coins. I did a great trade with Ethereum against Bitcoin. I moved some Ethereum into Bitcoin before the merge, and that was actually a very risky trade, but I did it great on that. I'm still in that position. That was with spot money, so I am not losing anything, but right now the Ethereum that I move into Bitcoin values more Ethereum than I had before. So at some point I am going to move that again into Ethereum and I will have more Ethereum coins. But again, here is this big pump, and of course after a big pump from XRP against Bitcoin, what you also can see is that we retrace big. We come back, we hit these big pumps, but then we retrace in a big way. So that is why usually that is the history. Then we come back again big. So I don't think that this will be a different scenario. I think in terms of XRP against Bitcoin, we are at 2859 Satoshis, and I think we can go again into 1980. And this will be a very important level to test support. And if not, we are going to come back to this rectangle at 1609. So guys, again, Bitcoin XRP, I think this is actually a good moment to move some XRP into Bitcoin. So you keep your value and you can increase your XRP amounts after. Again, this is not financial advice. It's my analysis and what I think and see in the chart. So guys, that is my analysis on XRP price token right now. I am bearish at this moment because I see many contrarian indicators in the chart and also in the fundamentals. But if you want to be up to date with all my trades and alerts and all my TA analysis, follow me in CryptoC State in Twitter. Guys, in Ripple news, an amazing news is that Ripple executive leads Australia CBDC project. The Reserve Bank of Australia on Monday released the white paper for the central bank digital currency. This just happened today, a couple of hours ago. In collaboration with the Digital Finance Corporative Research Center, internationally the CBDC pilot is led by Ripple's former executive Dilip Rao. And if you don't know who Dilip Rao is, he's a fintech and innovation evangelist. You can see here the LinkedIn proposal. He has been in Ripple since 5 years and 6 months, so he's actually a very important piece of the Ripple ecosystem. So the RBA and the DFCRC will conduct a pilot project to identify use cases and understand the technological, legal and regulatory aspect of the CBDC Australian coin. The central bank invites industry participants to submit use cases beneficial for the Australian economy and financial system by October 31. Participants can request to operate their use case for testing and demonstrate its value in the pilot project. Interestingly, the pilot research is led by Ripple's former executive Dilip Rao as the program director of the CBDC project. In fact, Rao contributed to Ripple's XRPL adoption by the banking and financial market from 2014 to 2019. He believes the XRPL-based real-time settlement system has capabilities in CBDCs. The team plans to design the eAUD on private, permissioned Ethereum, but the chances of XRPL use cases are higher. So this is an amazing news that just launched today. Ripple executive leads the Australia CBDC project. What are the chances that Ripple participate on this, guys? Guys, that is all for the video. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And if you didn't saw this video how to buy Ripple stocks, I recommend you to see it. That is why I am super bullish on Ripple and XRP, but I am also bullish on Ripple company. That is why I am buying Ripple stocks. I recommend you to check it, and if you use that platform link to you when you sign up, automatically you get $250 for the use in the platform. Guys, thanks a lot. Check all my videos, share in your social media at least once so you support the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.